Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI. And one of my absolute favorite things to do since I live in the coast is going to the beach. However, sometimes I can find myself being limited on when I can go to the beach because I do not like to expose myself too much to the sun, especially at the times in which the sun is its strongest. So I have been very happy to acquire this beach tent by AMMSUN as I no longer have to worry on when to go to the beach. I can just go whenever I want because its main purpose is precisely to offer shelter from the sun. In fact, its fabric is covered in UPF 50 plus, which protects from 99% of the sun's ultraviolet rays, which is really convenient. And this beach tent comes with its own bag, and it is so easy to transport. And when you want to assemble it, it brings its own instructions, which are very straightforward and very simple. And that is my point of view.